Why do you like riding bikes? Nice.
So it's cool that you guys have this offering. You can just take it.
Why do you like riding bikes?
I like riding bikes because there's too damn many cars. They're kind of like dragons, you know, they're stinky, they'll fire, they poison things, you know, so this is actually a dragon killer.
Because first of all, I need the exercise, and Bellingham is a bike-friendly city.
I think the exercise, you know, the freedom.
Just a lot of fun. Just, I don't know, I just feel like a lot of people should, you know, do it, you know.
Fun. And I like to go down hills. Get really fast.
Like when I was a kid, I always thought it was my pony, and I would feel really free.